Just as the flow of water mirrors the flow of life, your gutters guide the flow with quiet purpose. When they are blocked, the peace is disrupted. Today, we restore the flow to your home and bring harmony. Begin by being present with your home. As you climb the ladder, observe the leaves, the twigs, blocking, ready to be released. As you scoop away the debris, focus on the simple act of clearing. Every handful restores the flow to your home. Once the debris is cleared, watch as the flow is restored and peace is brought back to your home. Now that peace has been restored into your home, make sure to continue maintaining it to always keep that flow.